Ignoring your F&O trading loss can cost you big. If you've traded in futures and options but didn't report F&O loss in your ITR, you could be in serious trouble. Even if your ITR is filed, skipping your F&O trades, especially if you faced losses, can trigger an income tax notice. Remember, F&O trading doesn't fall under capital gains. It's classified as business income. So you may think that if you have made losses from F&O, even if you don't report in ITR, there won't be any problem. But chances of notice are higher in loss cases. This is how you need to report it in ITR. If you file ITR under presumptive taxation, Section 44AD, without profit and loss statement and balance sheet, you must declare at least 6% profit on turnover and pay tax accordingly, even if you have loss from F&O. So now your loss is converted in profit due to this reporting and you have to pay tax on 6% profit. But if you want to claim loss and carry it forward to settle in future, then you must maintain complete books of accounts, including a profit and loss statement and balance sheet. Plus, you have to file using ITR 3, not ITR 4. This may result in higher fees for your tax professional as complete P&L and balance sheet is needed for ITR 3. You can compare the net effect from 44AD 6% profit or ITR 3 and decide which method to choose. The Income Tax Department's systems automatically flag your trades via your PAN. If F&O turnover shows up but isn't reported in ITR, a notice could be on its way. Always report your F&O income or loss properly, maintain books if needed, and file the right ITR form. It's better to be safe than face a notice. Found this helpful? Hit like, drop a comment if you faced this situation, and don't forget to subscribe for more tax help.